Grand old home in Maine, and this one has been updated. Handicap friendly, you can live on each level. You don't have to climb stairs. Big backyard in a location where you can walk to everything. You don't need car keys. This is no tiny home and located in one key location. 10 Kelleran Street is close to everything with a walk index, bike index like 300. Park your car forever. Easy walk to everything. Old Victorian home in Maine is renovated in all the right places. Welcome to Aroostook County. This house is at 10 Kelleran, and it gets a 10 for a score. Deep, private, treed backyard. You have handicap friendly throughout this home, inside and out. Let's enjoy a little lunch, a coffee, something colder on the porch. Off the open porch with a cement floor that has a sleeping porch over it, there's a mudroom entry. A utility area to put your coats, boots, to get ready to go in or out. This is a room for that. Two full baths, this half bath that's a laundry, and there's a chance for a third full bath on the attic area. Old home in Maine has been updated, comes with all the appliances. Hickory cabinets, stainless steel appliances, a quick move-in ready occupancy. This home has a lot going for it. Who would be interested in this old home in Maine? Somebody that has a large family. Someone who has elderly parents that need to be on one level. With handicap bathrooms, handicap ramps. We're all going to be needing handicap something, right, as we get older. Excellent place to age in place. Maine real estate, 10 Kelleran Street, home for sale in Aroostook County. The deep farmer's sink, all kinds of cabinets. They didn't scrimp on those. There's an everyday dining area too. You can have a formal dining room. See the heat pump? We have low-cost Houlton Water Company power too. You have over a dozen rooms. How would you use them? Make comments down below. This originally a formal dining room. See the bay window? Generous sized rooms meant this can be your living room, so you can have the front parlor be a first floor master bedroom. Old homes in Maine always had a front foyer room to receive guests. You had a lot of people come visit, not just family, your neighbors too. Another bay window in the master bedroom or your home office. How would you use this area? Two closets, plus a little area for makeup, vanity. Here's your master bath. Storage cabinet, vinyl laminate floors, subway tile, double shower. Like what you see so far? Wait till you see the rest of the home at 10 Kelleran Street. For some in the audience, that's the main primary home space. But for those needing more space, at the head of the stairs, another bathroom. This is 2.5 baths so far. The old original cast iron tub. The kids can have their own bathroom. See the door coming out of the bathroom? That goes to the third level. This used to be, years ago, Rigby Boarding Home. I won't start singing that Eleanor Rigby song. I don't think Mom's name was Eleanor. A lot of furniture stays. This has a bay window on the south side. This is like an upstairs living room, or a den. I heard someone in the audience say this would be great for a boarding home. That's what it was. Easily have a second floor apartment, first floor apartment, third floor rental unit. That's what it was before it was Rigby's boarding home. Bedroom in the middle, here's a front bedroom with another bay window. Lights over your bed in this room. If you're in the market looking for an old Maine home in Maine, this could be ideal. It's move-in ready. You can walk to the Temple Cinema, down to the Farmers Market in Market Square, the band concert each Thursday in the summer. County Yankee grocery store is just up Military Street. Here's your middle bedroom. Another heat pump. There's a closet, wooden floors. A half a dozen bedrooms easily. It just depends on how you want to utilize this home. You're right. This was the dining room with a pass-through from the kitchen in one of the second floor apartments. All wainscoted. This home is very versatile, multi-use. Not a kitchen now, but could be again. With a little pantry, with two other stairways. This makes the insurance company happy. Lots of ways of getting in and out. See the pass-through? You don't witness those in the new houses. Partly because you can't find anybody that can do the fine finish work, or it's just too expensive. There's a sleeping porch, a balcony. It overlooks the backyard that's totally private. All pressure treated for the flooring, which means no maintenance. So the second level can be 2 to 3 bedrooms all by itself with a separate entrance. But you want more. You need more living space, or you want to put it to work. The third level. See the stained glass? This is your project area. Although the owner did put a lot of money into updating the electrical. This can be a bedroom right off a full bath. You just need to update, finish it off, renovate. It has a tub and shower. You can still see the old door numbers, which tells you this was a rental home. See all the new boards under the new roof? Let's put this part of the home to work. We'll give you the names of who you need to call to do some insulating, sheetrocking. See the electrical that's outside so that it's nice and safe? There's a kitchen sink. Here's a bedroom area on that third floor. 2 of them so far, right? Are you counting? All kinds of this updated wiring, see it? Here's another stairway to get to a rear attic area. Finish it off, update it. Know any plumbers in your family? You've seen the 3 levels, the 3 possible rental units. It's a single family house now. Here's your extra area off the kitchen on the first floor. All the wiring updated. This could be a workshop room, or a little efficiency, or another room to rent out. At least the electrical's been updated. It's a lot of house. It's not a tiny house. See, they did away with the knob and tube wiring. This would be a separate entrance. This could be a home business, work from home. You have your 2-room suite and an entry reception area, and no one goes through your living quarters. You see where they drilled blue-in cellulose insulation, so it's not as hard to heat as you'd think. See all the new electrical encased in the metal? This is on your east end of your home. It's like a shed addition. You have landings and another stairway. If I was a teenager again, this would be a beautiful bedroom. See all the new boards? They've done updates, not just the pretty stuff, and the original features remain. Or maybe this is just storage for your Christmas decorations, luggage, high chairs, things that kids outgrow. See all the doors? You can compartmentalize. You have 4 different stairways. Outside entrance to the basement. See all the new concrete? They took what's original stone out that needed to be removed. See the new plumbing? The Carolina pipe? They put a footing, then a cement wall. That's the right way to do it. Hybrid water heater, which dehumidifies the basement. A lot of headroom down here. Not your typical older home basement. Heat pumps, electric heat. There's an oil boiler, but it doesn't get used. Here's one of your circuit panels. 200 amp. That's your basement without a whole bunch of junk in it. The outside bulkhead. Grand old home in Maine, and this one has been updated. Handicap friendly. You can live on each level. You don't have to climb stairs. Welcome to Aroostook County. This house is at 10 Kelleran, and it gets a 10 for a score. I'm Maine Realtor Andy Morris. Thanks a lot for watching the Maine Real Estate Channel. We know you're out in the audience looking for a house or maybe just information about Houlton, Maine. Whatever you need, whatever you think we should be making videos on, make comments down below. Reach out to me. It's your channel. Please stick around. We have more videos coming up on houses for sale in Maine. Maine real estate, the big theme, but not the only thing that we cover. We'll see you next time on the Maine Real Estate Channel. Please like the video, share the video, and make comments down below. If you're a brand new member and this channel's growing, thank you very much. It won't grow unless we keep feeding it stuff that you actually think is worthwhile. Simple run and gun videos. We'll keep cranking them out as long as you keep watching them. Thanks a lot.